Hello everyone and welcome to Introduction to SQLite. In this lesson we're going to take a look at an introduction to SQLite. So let's go ahead and get started. SQLite is an open source C language library that implements a small, fast, self-contained, high reliability, full-featured SQL database engine. It is the most used database engine in the world, found in countless online applications and systems. SQLite is an embedded SQL database engine. Unlike most other SQL databases, because it does not have a separate server process, SQLite reads and writes directly to ordinary disk files. A complete SQLite database with multiple tables, indices, triggers, and views is contained in a single disk file. SQLite was designed by D. Richard Hipp in August of 2000 for the purposes of no administration required for operating a program. It was meant to be easy to maintain and implement in applications. SQLite began as a tangent of the Postgres project and has since evolved into a database solution used globally. Its development has been supported by developers and companies around the world who contribute to its ongoing maintenance and enhancement. Let's look at some of the key features and advantages of SQLite. First, it's serverless. SQLite doesn't require a separate server process or system to operate, which simplifies configuration and reduces the risk of data corruption and unauthorized access. Zero configuration. There's no setup or administration needed. Cross-platform. It works on various operating systems and is accessible via numerous programming languages. Self-contained. A single ordinary disk file holds the complete database. A small footprint. It requires minimal resources, making it suitable for devices with limited hardware like smartphones and embedded systems. Transactional. SQLite transactions are fully ASCII compliant, allowing for safe access from multiple processes or threads. And finally, customizable. The source code can be customized for specific needs. SQLite differs from other SQL databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server mainly due to its serverless architecture. Most other databases are server-based, meaning they run as a service on a host system and interact with the rest of the system via network protocols. This requires more configuration and maintenance and generally uses more resources. In summary, SQLite is well suited for portable applications that do not need network connectivity and have to operate within resource constraints due to its simplicity and file-based nature. However, it's not the best choice for applications that handle a high volume of transactions or require extensive database operations with frequent concurrent writes. In scenarios that demand complex, large-scale databases with high concurrency, traditional server-based databases are typically more suitable. Well, that's it for our brief overview of SQLite. This is a very highly capable system and is really great for lightweight applications and perhaps mobile applications or embedded applications. Well, that's it for this lesson. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Thank you for your interest in this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.